Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
After eating this plant for a week, I went to the doctor and my results were amazing. In the event that you experience the ill effects of an infection or, at the opposite, you lead to some degree healthy ways of life, yet you have to spare your maladies before they show up, with the utilization of homegrown fixings it's miles conceivable to steady down the impact of the diseases in your edge and also the appearance of them. That is the reason it's miles exceptionally basic to comprehend what normal components will offer the decent well-being points of interest on your body. This is something that few truly comprehend and that is vital to shoulder as a main priority in the event that you need to carry on a healthy ways of life. You may remain a stimulating, long ways of life without burning through several bucks on costly cures and dietary supplements. You may utilize nature and all that it needs to give to advance your well-being and spare you and cure all afflictions. Today, we've resolved to talk around one plant that is extensively underrated, however has incredible well-being favorable circumstances. We need to discuss the chayote, a vegetable with incredible houses which could enhance and advance your normal well-being if devoured on a regular establishment. 1. Spare you tumor. This isn't so generally perceived, yet chayote enable you to avert and treat generally tumors. As it possesses large amounts of cancer prevention agents, it effectively battles the free radicals for your body responsible for tumors blast. 2. Counteract disease. This is not so generally known, but rather chayote can enable you to anticipate and treat growth. As it possesses large amounts of cancer prevention agents, it effectively battles the free radicals in your body in charge of tumors development. 3. Avert stroke. Coagulation scenes can be stayed away from on account of the chayote. On the off chance that devoured frequently, it can help in the treatment of a wide range of issues including the circulatory framework. 6. Enhance gut work. The great working of our digestive organs can be accomplished if chayote is devoured frequently. It assists with enteral aggravation, contaminations, and obstruction. Revive the skin. Because of its abundance in folic corrosive, zinc, and vitamin C and E, it offers your skin a healthy sparkle and enhances its quality, a horrendous parcel higher than any against getting more established cream you could purchase.